All right, well, I picked up one of these 1/24th scale FMS Dodge Power Wagons, and I'm not going to do a full review of this thing because a million guys have already done that. All the big boys that do all the reviews have done a great job of covering every aspect of this thing, so I'm not going to do that. The one thing I am going to do is I have got that little Bluetooth 4-corner scale system, and I'm always curious about how things are going to weigh out. So I charged up the battery, slapped this thing on those scales, and had a look at how it comes out of the box, because typically I find everything's a little bit too light that I mess around with, and I want to add weight to them right off the bat. So I've decided I'm going to kind of start figuring out where am I at when it comes out of the box weight-wise, and then what do we add to it with additions and modifications. My very first impression is I do like the slow crawl control in this thing. It's really nice. It has a really good controllable low speed crawl, which, me being kind of a guy who prefers rock crawling more than just about anything, that's really important to me. So crawled great. The tires, as I suspected, seemed a little, well, not great. They didn't grip overly great in my opinion, and I think that's always a good place to add weight, is with some heavy, kind of beadlock wheels and some different tires. So I ordered up a set of Endura Racing tires and wheels for this thing, and we'll get those on in a minute. But let's just bask in the glory of the slow speed crawl for a minute. So I picked up this set that's got 4 tires and 4 beadlock wheels from Endura Racing products. And while it kind of looks like they come out of the box all ready to rock and roll, no, they do not. You have to put all these little tiny screws in. So you put about 6 in from the back, and then you put about 22 or something, or 12, I don't know how many, a whole ton around the rim, the bead, to lock the bead on. And then you put some more around the hub to make it look right. All right, I know you want to see more than just this thing playing around on the desk, So do I. So stay tuned. I will get this out in the wilds just as quick as I can.